Hey everybody, today I'm going to be dunking potassium metal into water. So this is the potassium metal that we are going to be cutting and throwing into water. Don't get too excited though, it's only a 1/4 gram nugget and this is only a test. So first we are going to look inside. Looks pretty nice. And then we are going to cut a little sliver off. Alright. Do you think it's alright if I just dip the knife in there?
Sure.
Okay. So now we're going to set this aside for now. Close the lid. And now, exciting part. Putting it into water.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh, lovely. Is that it? That's it. You can see those little beads are actually potassium hydroxide floating on the surface. We stir it up. We now have a dilute potassium hydroxide solution with, of course, a couple little beads floating around. And there's one important step that I almost forgot to mention. You always have to pour in vinegar to neutralize the KOH. Doesn't look like much is going on, but see, there's a little bit of fizzing there. And now all we have to do is stir it up. And now we have turned that into potassium acetate, which is harmless. And now I will dump this into the grass right over there.